Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Have you ever wondered how to respect and embrace local cultures and religions while socializing abroad? That's where the concept of cultural sensitivity comes in. It's like a bridge that connects us to the diverse world around us, helping us navigate the vibrant mosaic of human culture. When we step into a foreign land, we're not just visitors or tourists. We're also learners, absorbing new customs, traditions, and belief systems. However, it's not always a smooth ride. Sometimes, cultural differences can lead to misunderstandings or even conflicts. Maybe it's a gesture that doesn't translate well, or a well-intentioned comment that misses the mark. That's why it's essential to approach each interaction abroad with an open mind, ready to learn and adapt. By doing so, we can avoid these pitfalls and engage more meaningfully with the world around us. Understanding and respecting different cultures and religions is key to successful social interactions abroad. Each culture has its unique norms and expectations, which can greatly impact social interactions. Let's delve into the fascinating world of varying cultural norms. From the frozen landscapes of Finland to the bustling streets of Tokyo, each culture boasts a unique set of norms and expectations that dictate how people interact with each other. Take greetings, for instance. In France, it's customary to greet friends with a peck on each cheek, while in Japan, a bow is the norm. In New Zealand, the traditional Maori greeting, or hongi, involves the pressing of noses and foreheads. Then there's the concept of personal space, which varies greatly from culture to culture. In countries like Russia and Argentina, people tend to stand close to each other during conversations, while in the United States and Germany, people usually prefer a bit more distance. And let's not forget about body language. In India, shaking your head can mean yes, while in Bulgaria, it's the exact opposite. In Thailand, pointing with your foot is considered disrespectful, and in Brazil, making the OK sign with your fingers is considered rude. These norms aren't just fascinating tidbits of cultural trivia. They're crucial tools for navigating social interactions abroad. Being aware of these differences can help you avoid misunderstandings and create positive connections with the people you meet. You might be wondering, how can I possibly remember all these different norms? But don't worry, you don't have to memorize every single cultural practice. Instead, focus on maintaining an open mind, being observant, and showing respect for the local culture. If you're unsure about something, it's perfectly okay to ask. Most people appreciate genuine interest in their culture and are happy to share their traditions. Remember, what may seem normal in your culture might be considered rude or inappropriate in another. So as you embark on your journey abroad, keep these cultural differences in mind. They'll not only help you avoid potential faux pas, but also enrich your travel experience by giving you a deeper understanding of the world's diverse cultures. Religion often plays a significant role in a culture's values and behaviors. This statement holds true for societies across the globe, shaping the way people live, interact, and perceive the world around them. It's like a hidden tapestry, weaving together the threads of a community's moral standards, customs, and traditions. When you're abroad, understanding and respecting local religious practices can be a bridge to deeper connections and mutual respect. You don't have to share the same beliefs to show respect for someone else's. It's about acknowledging the importance of these beliefs in their lives, not about agreeing with them. Consider this. You're visiting a country where it's customary to remove your shoes before entering a place of worship. Even if this isn't a practice in your own religion, doing so respects the local customs and the people who follow them. It's a small act, but it speaks volumes about your respect for their faith. Or perhaps you're in a country where certain days are considered sacred, with businesses closing and streets quieting down. Respecting this practice means not scheduling meetings or outings on these days, and understanding that this is a time of reflection and devotion for the locals. Remember, respect also extends to conversations about religion. It's perfectly okay to ask questions if you're genuinely interested in understanding more about their beliefs. However, it's crucial to approach these conversations with sensitivity and respect, avoiding debates or criticisms. Instead, focus on listening and learning. Understanding and respecting local religions isn't just about following rules. It's about fostering a sense of mutual respect and understanding. It's about showing that you value their traditions as much as your own, bridging gaps and building connections. It's about being a global citizen who respects diversity and cherishes the rich tapestry of human cultures. So whether you're visiting a Buddhist temple in Thailand, attending a Friday prayer at a mosque in Turkey, or witnessing a Catholic procession in Italy, Remember that each religion has its unique practices and customs, and by respecting these, you're not just being a polite visitor, you're also embracing the diversity that makes our world so fascinating. With an open mind and respectful attitude, you can foster deeper connections with people of different faiths. Embrace the opportunity to learn, grow, and connect. After all, respect for all religions is a cornerstone of any thriving multicultural society. So, how can you ensure you're being respectful when socializing abroad? When you're preparing for a trip abroad, a little research can go a long way. Familiarize yourself with the social norms, customs, and traditions of your destination. This could be anything from learning a few basic phrases in the local language to understanding the etiquette around dining or public transportation. Knowing what's considered polite or impolite can help you avoid potential misunderstandings and show your respect for the local culture. Once you arrive, observe how locals interact with each other. This can give you valuable insights into the unspoken rules of socializing. For example, in some cultures, maintaining eye contact is seen as a sign of respect, while in others it might be considered rude or intrusive. When in doubt, follow the local lead. Asking questions is another great way to learn about the culture, but it's important to do this respectfully. Avoid making assumptions or passing judgment. Instead, show genuine interest and curiosity. You could say something like, "I noticed that people here often do this. Could you tell me more about it?" This approach not only helps you learn, but also shows that you value and respect the local customs. Finally, be open to new experiences. Embrace the unexpected and try to see things from a different perspective. This could mean trying a local dish that's completely new to you, participating in a traditional dance, or attending a religious ceremony. Remember, it's okay to feel a bit uncomfortable or out of your comfort zone. It's all part of the learning experience, and it's these moments that often lead to the most memorable and enriching experiences. Socializing abroad isn't just about meeting new people or seeing new places. It's also about showing respect for the cultures and traditions you're visiting. It's about learning, growing, and fostering mutual understanding. By embracing these tips, you can navigate social interactions abroad with confidence and respect. And remember, every interaction is an opportunity to learn something new. So embrace the journey with an open mind and heart. Embracing cultural sensitivity not only enriches your travel experiences, but also fosters mutual respect and understanding. As we journey through this vast world, it's paramount to remember the key points we've discussed. Understanding diverse cultural norms broadens our perspectives. Respecting local religions, regardless of our personal beliefs, is a testament to our humanity. Practical tips like observing appropriate behavior, dressing suitably, and communicating effectively can help us navigate social interactions smoothly. Cultural sensitivity is not just about avoiding faux pas or misunderstandings. It's about immersing ourselves in the beauty of diversity, learning from it, and growing as individuals. It's about building bridges of communication, breaking down walls of prejudice, and fostering a global community based on mutual respect and understanding. So, as you venture into new territories, keep these lessons close to your heart. Let cultural sensitivity be your compass, guiding your interactions and experiences. Remember, respecting and embracing local cultures and religions is the first step to a rewarding and enriching experience abroad.
Let's learn new words and practice English at level B1. Cultural awareness. Cultural awareness, understanding and appreciating the similarities and differences between cultures. Example, gaining cultural awareness is crucial when socializing abroad to avoid misunderstandings and foster respect. Etiquette. Etiquette, the customary code of polite behavior in society or among members of a particular profession or group. Example, learning the local etiquette, such as greeting customs, can significantly improve your social interactions. Respect. Respect, due regard for the feelings, wishes, rights, or traditions of others. Example, always show respect for local religious practices and festivals when you are abroad. Tolerance. Tolerance, the ability or willingness to tolerate the existence of opinions or behavior that one dislikes or disagrees with. Example, practicing tolerance helps you embrace the diversity you encounter while living or traveling in foreign countries. Adaptability. Adaptability, the ability to adjust to new conditions and environments. Example, being adaptable in social situations is key when interacting with people from different cultural backgrounds. Open-mindedness. Open-mindedness, willing to consider new ideas, unprejudiced. Example, maintaining open-mindedness allows you to fully experience and learn from different cultures and religions. Customs. Customs, traditional or habitual ways of behaving that are specific to a society, place, or time. Example, understanding local customs is essential for anyone wanting to integrate and socialize successfully abroad. Inclusivity. Inclusivity, the practice or policy of including people who might otherwise be excluded or marginalized. Example, inclusivity in social groups means making sure everyone feels welcome, regardless of their cultural or religious background.